In this how-to video, this is on a BMW X5 on an old ball plate. Be sure to subscribe and maybe send a like. For this stuff out of the way, I can help. Just remove all the surrounding bolts. For those of you wondering why I'm doing it like this, is that the boot has failed to open and everything has deadlocked. This is awesome. Right. So there it is. Normally on the BMWs they're mounted on the side, but this one being an X5, it's directly on the floor because the battery needs charging. God's sake, what's all this? Right, not off all there. But then I gotta take that off. Right, with that removed, can now be lifted.